Hello, gorgeous. I'm on a video shooting marathon. Right now, I'm doing the Ipsy Glam Bag Plus for the month of March. So, if you want to know what I got, if you want to see what's inside my box, then stay tuned. Hello, thank you so much for hanging out with me. I'm excited to be filming again, finally. I'm looking like Casper though. What's going on here today? I mean, I'm really looking like Casper. So, Ipsy Glam Bag, March. I did open my box. I always open my Ipsy boxes, so I know if I have to like return anything or not. It's become a habit with me because I've had such issues in the past. And I was pleasantly surprised to see that I've got my first shipment of Refreshments too. So not long ago, they offered me the free shaving kit. And so I signed up for it. I was like, okay, cool. You know, I'll check it out. I'll see how it works, see if I like it, whatever. Because, you know, it would be very convenient to have that stuff shipped with my Ipsy, so I didn't have to worry about going, you know, picking stuff up at the store. So I have my first set of Refreshments and my Ipsy Glam Bag Plus today to share with you. So let's dive in. So our theme for the month for Ipsy is Stronger Together, which, yes, I totally agree. I'm really hating that they don't put their prices and stuff on their packages anymore. I'm gonna have to go through and figure out prices for stuff. This is our, you know what? Actually, let's do the Refreshments first. Let's do the Refreshments first because that's just one thing and I can get it over with. And I'm so stoked that it came in this cute little like silky package with yellow flowers. It's like a pink silk package and drawstrings with yellow flowers on it. So this is my first Refreshments. And it is not wanting to open. And I think I signed up to try their cleansing wipes, the makeup removers. Oh, cute. Okay, so we've got some stickers in here. That's cute. And it's a little pamphlet here. I guess it just tells you about Refreshments. Blink in your bathroom is stocked. Yeah. So this is just a little pamphlet to tell you about Refreshments and the products that they offer and stuff like that. So that's good. And so you can, you know, kind of look through and see if there's anything else you want to get. But this is the razor pack. So it's a Luxe 5-blade razor kit. Am I going to have to full on? Nope. I can go from the bottom. Oh, this just slides out? I think so. Yep. Okay, so here we go. All right. Well, Ipsy. You've done it again. There's no razor here. There's no razor in here. Well, this would have been a great idea had I actually got what I was supposed to get. So basically, I got a refill. I didn't get the razor. Wow. Alright, I guess I'm going to have to get a hold of them and see. So this would have been a cute little thing. So you would get a shower holder, you would get the razor, and then you would get 2 of the 5-blade refill things, which would have been amazing if I would have actually gotten the razor to be able to dry them. So I guess I'm going to have to get a hold of them and say, hey, I didn't get the razor with the razor kit. This is why I always have problems with Ipsy. I just don't understand. Like, their quality control is where? I don't understand it. Whatever. So, there's that. Let's dive into our glam bag. I will pull up my Ipsy app here so I can go through the prices with you guys as I go along. Okay, so the first thing I see in here is Gold Faden MD. You know what? I'm just going to dump these out. I can't see in the bottom there. So Gold Faden MD, Radical Difference. I guess this is a serum. Yeah, it's a serum. So it says packed with antioxidants and hyaluronic acid, this ultra concentrated serum gives your skin exactly what it needs. Nourishment, protection, and hydration. The effect, a complexion that's plump, smooth, and bright. So this retails for $80, you guys. Let's see if I can get it in there a little bit closer for you. $80 for the serum. I know that this serum is expensive. So that was one of the items that Ipsy picked for me. The next one is Koa Life Vitamin C Brightening Cleanser, which is open, by the way. So this one retails for $30 for a cleanser. So it says not only does this face wash remove dirt, excess oil, and makeup, it helps fade dark spots and reduce signs of aging while protecting skin from environmental damage with a dose of antioxidant-rich vitamin C. That's pretty awesome. I'll give this a try too, I guess. Obviously, because I got it in my box. But I have some dark spots around here. I think I've told the story on my channel before about using like a hair remover cream or something. It was a Sally Hansen one, and it like burnt my skin. So $30. This was the second item that they picked for me. So all of the rest of the items are the items that I picked myself. So I got the House Laboratories Risque Brow and Lash Sparkle Topper in Drama, which is just black, I'm assuming. I was really excited. I love House Laboratories. Pretty much everything that I've tried from them so far. I've got both the palettes. I've got some lippies. I've got some lip liners, and now I've got gloss, and now I have this sparkle topper. And this one retails for $18, so it's still affordable. So basically it just, I don't know if you can see at the bottom here, it's like glittery, sparkly. So you can put it in your brows or in your eyelashes and make, give it a little sparkle, which I love sparkles, so I'm all for that. Well, let's look at the wand, because I'm probably going to be using this a lot anyway. Oh, it's a tiny little wand, so yeah. And $18 is not bad, It's not something you would use a lot, so you wouldn't have to go, pay for it a lot. And then the next item I chose was the Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow Gel in medium brown. Now, I've had her, the clear brow gel, and I really, really like it. So when this was a choice item, I was like, oh yes, I want to try the colored one and see how well that one works. So I'm actually using the Anastasia Beverly Hills brow gel today. So this is the packaging. This is what it looks like. It's just, gold packaging. This looks a little light though. I don't know. We'll have to see. Well, maybe not. I don't know. I'm going to try it out. So this is $20. And then next up on my list here, I'm really digging this bag, you guys, by the way. I did not show you this well enough. I love this bag for this month. It's so colorful, and it's, promotes unity and that kind of stuff. I love this bag. This is an awesome bag, Ipsy. Way to go. Although you screwed my other stuff up, but bag looks good. And then I got the Cosus Tinted Face Oil in 03. This stuff is awesome. I think I got another one. Yeah, so I already have this, so I already knew that I liked it. Especially for summertime, it's going to be really amazing. Yeah, I'm stoked about it. I loved it. So this is Makeup Meets Skincare, a featherweight light to medium coverage foundation and deeply hydrating skin elixir. What shade do I have this in? I wonder if I got the right one. I don't know. I'll have to figure that out later because it doesn't say on the bottle. Oh, wait. I got 3.5. And this one is 0.3. Uh-oh. We may have an issue here. Fair with cool undertones. I have neutral undertones. Maybe I can mix them together. I don't know. Whatever. I love this stuff. It's good stuff. And it's $42. So yeah, this is something that I would never, you know, purchase on my own. So I was happy to get the option to choose it. And then next, you know, my app's going to be all slow. Next, I have the Dionysus Vanilla Bean Goat Milk Hand Cream. And this is an add-on. So we're getting into my add-ons. What? Did I go through all my? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, I sure did. All right, so now we're into my add-ons. So this is the goat milk hand cream. And again, like I said 100 times, I'm so dry right now from being sick and then, you know, just living in a very dry environment. So I love trying out the like mini sizes of the hand creams and stuff like that. I found a few that I really, really love and some that I don't like so much. And then I got the Purlisse Beauty Skin Glow BB Base Primer. I wanted to try that out. I tried the BB cream from Purlisse. I love Purlisse products, but that one did not work for me. So I thought, well, maybe if I buy the Purlisse BB Primer, maybe it'll work better on my skin. We'll see. Gonna try it out. And then I also got Ciate London Fruit Burst Lip Oil in lychee and acai. Is that how you say it? Acai? I don't know. I always feel like I'm like speaking Japanese or something when acai. I don't know. That was wrong here. Anyways, Ciate London, I love it. And of course, this lip oil. Like I said, I'm dry, man. Yeah. And then I got the Tula Skincare Go Away Acne Spot Treatment, which is this right here. I have been breaking out lately too. It's been weird. Like my skin is all kinds of angry at me. So I was like, you know what? It's only like $3. I think it was only like $3. I'm like, I'll try it, you know, see if it helps or works or whatever. So that's it. That's my box. Let's see if we can get a full price for you guys because I don't have a card. So we're going to write on the card our prices. So the tinted oil was $42. And then the Anastasia Beverly Hills is $20. And then my app is going so slow today, you guys. I'm so sorry. The House Laboratories, I think that was $18, wasn't it? Yep, $18. And then the Koa Life was $30. And the Golden Faden was like $80, wasn't it? Gold Faden. Yep, $80. So let me calculate this. 80, 30, 18, 20, and 42. So my Ipsy Glam Bag Plus this month was $190. Not bad. I mean, you pay $25 a month, and you get 5 products. You get to pick 3 products now, which I'm extremely happy about. I really like that they're doing that because I feel like you get a box better made to suit you and your wants. You know what I mean? So you get to pick 3 items for $25. They pick 2, and yeah, it's been great so far. I did the Glam Bag X, oh, whatever it was, the first one, the Patrick Ta one. I did that one and I loved it, and I'm excited about the products that are going to be in the next Glam Bag X one, so I'm definitely getting that one too. Thank you guys so much for hanging out. Did you guys get a Ipsy? Let me know. Let me know what you think. Let me know what you got. Did you get something different from me? Is there something that you got that I need to try? Let me know. Comment down below. Subscribe. Please subscribe. Hit the notification bell. And as always, I hope you have a fabulous, fabulous day. And remember, keep sparkling.